Hi, boys and girls. I am so excited. November 12th is here. You are getting your new bag of materials. There's so many exciting things in there for you. So I want to go through and show you each thing that you should have in your bag when you get home. Okay? Now, there are a couple of you that might not have the math pages, but for the most part, everyone should have everything that I'm showing you. So the first thing, most exciting, is a stylus. Everyone is getting a stylus like this, and you are getting one like this. These were donated by one of our parents, one of our families, to make sure every online learner has a stylus to use for handwriting and make things a little bit easier. And these were funded by a grant that I wrote that write a little bit more like a pencil or a pen on your iPad, and you can rest your wrist on your iPad while you're writing on it. So everyone should have those two things. You're also going to get a composition book. This will be used for you to do some math practice problems, and if you need to take notes for ELA, pretty much anything you need it for. Some sentence dictation, word dictation, things like that. Everyone is going to get a few straws. You really only needed 2 or 3, but I just kind of put a pile in there. We're going to need some straws for math. You will also get a pad of Post-it notes. These are not for you to use however you want to and stick them all over your parents' house. These are going to be used for ELA mostly. You're also going to get some lined index cards and some bigger unlined index cards to use for different things. So much good stuff. I'm so excited. You are going to get a handwriting page. This happens to be Brian's. You're going to get a handwriting page that has your name at the top so you can practice writing your name in cursive on the front and the back. You're going to get some grid paper. You're going to get the larger size, and actually this is the centimeter size, and you're also going to get the 1-inch size. Okay, so one's a little bit bigger than the other. You're going to get some pieces of construction paper to use for different projects. You will be getting a packet of Thanksgiving holiday stuff. There's some math pages to color, there's a word search, there's a scarecrow that you can cut out and make at home if you want to. Everyone is getting a page that looks like this, and when the time comes, I will tell you what you need to do. You're going to end up cutting these apart, so you might want to get a plastic Ziploc baggie that you can keep them in because you're going to be cutting them apart and using them for some math stuff. Here's a biggie, a big packet of papers. So on the very top is a meter stick that you're going to be cutting apart and taping together at home. So you're going to need some Scotch tape. Hopefully you have some at home. Or you could staple it together if you have staples. And then underneath that, we have Module 3 for math. And then there's also Module 4. There should be a green piece of paper separating them. So you have Module 4. So we are good. We are set with math stuff for a while. You won't need to come back and see us for a while for that. The next thing, very exciting, is the next unit in reading for CKLA. Here is your vocabulary journal in print. So if you're one of those people that would rather write it rather than do it in Notability, there you go. Everyone is getting a plastic cover like this to use for their whiteboard. So you can actually just stick a piece of plain paper in here, or you can use it like this too. And then inside there are 2 strips of paper. One is a centimeter, one is an inch that we'll be using in our math unit, one of our math units. You also are getting a dry erase marker and a glue stick. So you're going to get a blue dry erase marker and a glue stick that you might need for some things. And then I'm super excited about it. I'm so excited about Unit 2 for reading, but I'm sending home Unit 3, which is all about our bodies. And I'm also sending home Unit 4. So we will be good to go for a while. And this is about ancient Rome. I'm so excited about these reading units that we're doing. So exciting. So those are all the exciting materials that are in your bag. I'm so excited to keep on learning with everybody, and I hope you enjoy your new goodies. Don't use them for other stuff. Keep them for your schoolwork. Bye, guys.